The International Institute of Tropical Agriculture has been collaborating with the National Agricultural Research Organization since 1992 in agricultural research to generate innovations that address hunger, poverty, and malnutrition. Leading a delegation of the Board of Directors of the International Institute of Tropical Agriculture to assess the impact of the agricultural research in Uganda, the Director General Dr. Simeon Ehui hailed NARO for the collaboration.
And I'm very much impressed with the nature of the partnership and the research being done across the board. It is quite impressive, all the way from breeding activities to food safety to youth in agribusiness to soil and agronomy, improved farm practices. It's all impressive.
In this country, Uganda and the greater sub-region, it should be remembered that in the early 90s, we were faced with the problem of cassava mosaic disease. And as a bloc, we didn't have a ready solution to deliver to the people, both in Uganda and in the rest of the Eastern African sub-region. We had to reach out and work with the ITA to make sure that we get a solution that would ensure food security, nutrition security, and national security of our bloc. This partnership should be remembered in that it touched the hearts of the many people who were faced with challenges of food security. Around the same time, in 1994, NARO and ITA established a partnership to set up a banana breeding platform. And this was established in the case of Uganda at Kawanda. We are grateful that today this partnership has emerged this center as one of the 3 best centers in the whole world. One being in Brazil, one being in India, and the third one being in Uganda.
So if a problem does come here, we can quickly leverage on the information or the research that has gone out there so that we can bring it back and then we can validate. And this is seen, for example, with the cassava, managing the cassava, viruses. Also, the work that we are doing here, for example, the banana breeding, we have these varieties that we call Narita, which is Na from Naro, Ita from IATA. They are jointly bred. They've been released here in Uganda, but they are making a huge impact out in Uganda. So that's the contribution that is going on with the work that we are doing.
The delegation appealed to government on increasing resources in agricultural value chain to create employment for young people and generate money for the farmers.
Because that's where money is made. You can produce, you can also be able to market it. So when you move to value addition, you get jobs, you get the product itself, off shelf is higher. So really, and then also the consumption of it is much easier than when it is really in raw form.
Agricultural research improves livelihoods, enhances food and nutrition security. Adia Nakute, UBC.